All right, let's open up BandLab here. Let's start with a really simple drum beat. I'm going to click Add Track, Virtual Instruments. Let's go to Drum Pads, and let's start with an 808 kit. Let's see how this sounds. Sounds great. So I'm going to double click our MIDI clip. I'm going to press Command A and quantize our beat. And then I'm just going to drag it out so our drums keep playing. All right, let's play through our drum beat slowly. We have a kick drum, which is our low end. We have our snare and our hi-hat. You can also play it on the keyboards if you don't have pads. Our kick drum is here, our snare drum is here, and our hi-hat is here. Let's play it again. Let's add some chords on top of this. Let's go to Add Track again, Virtual Instruments, and Studio Grand Piano. All right, let's play in some chords. All right, we're going to double click the MIDI again and quantize our chords. Let's see how that sounds. All right, let's play through the chords of our song. We have a C major, and an A minor, and as you can see, they're the same shape for both chords. You just move this one down a couple notes to get this chord. All right, let's drag this out so our chords keep playing with our drums. Let's add a bass next. So Add Track. Let's see what kind of electric basses we have. Let's see how this sounds. Yeah, it sounds great. Here we go. All right, getting into our MIDI, let's quantize again. All right, we're going to play our bass line. First thing we're going to do is press this octave down button twice. So we have a C and an A. And we'll drag that out, so this is what we have now. All right, I think we have a really good foundation for our track. Let's add a melody on top. So how about just a piano? That sounds great. We're going to quantize that again and drag that out so it plays a couple times. Let's listen. All right, let's play our melody slowly. As you can see, these are the notes of the pentatonic scale we talked about at the start of the lesson. One more time. All right, let's listen to the whole thing. Great, so that's the end of our first mini song. You've learned how to create a drum beat, some chords, a bass line, and a melody, all in MIDI. We're on our way.